Windows 10. Tips and tricks. Create bootable USB with command prompt and install. Windows 10. Creating a USB pen drive using command prompt is not hard, it is one of the most common ways to create a bootable USB. This method does not work if your operating system is Windows XP or Windows 8, you cannot select the primary partition in command prompt. Step 1. First step is to obtain the Windows files from somewhere and save them to a folder in your PC. You can rip a Windows DVD, or if you have the ISO image file you can open it with Magic Disk or Daemon Tools or even WinRAR, and you need to copy the whole content to a folder anywhere in your PC, you just need to make sure you know where it is located. Step 2. Secondly, you should have one USB. Step 3. Make sure your USB stick is inserted. Go to Start Search CMD, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. The command prompt will appear. Now you need to write the following commands. Disk part rightward arrow list disk rightward arrow select disk 1, chose the USB device, you will recognize it by its size, rightward arrow clean, this will erase the USB, rightward arrow create partition primary rightward arrow select partition 1 rightward arrow active rightward arrow format fs equals ntfs. This will format the USB drive and will take 10 to 15 minutes, rightward arrow. Step 4. After the format is done you have to continue writing in command prompt, rightward arrow assign. Now you will notice that the USB drive changed its letter to H or G, rightward arrow exit, this command will exit the disk part function. Step 5. Now you have to write the path to the executable file in your Windows saved folder. Make sure that in your Windows folder you have the boot folder with the bootsect executable file. Step 6. The command goes like this, E rightward arrow cd win7 sp1 rightward arrow. Rightward arrow cd boot rightward arrow bootsect.exe/nt60hh is the letter of the USB drive. This command will update the boot core, rightward arrow exit, this will exit command prompt. Step 7. Now you have to copy all the files in the Windows folder to your USB drive. All done. You can now restart your PC and boot from the USB hard drive.